Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing an art project inspired by Alexander Calder. Alexander Calder is an American-born artist best known for his collages and his large-scale public sculptures. Here's an example of what I'm going to show you what to do today. This is my sculpture inspired by Alexander Calder. All right, hi everyone. I am going to now do two sculptures inspired by Alexander Calder. I have two pieces of construction paper here. The thicker the paper, I think the better, so that it stands up, because what is going to happen is these are going to have to stand up on their own. So I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. Try to get it as close as possible. That's sort of important. And then I'm going to crease it down the center. Now what I'm going to do is use my regular pencil. You see I have three pencils, a regular and two colored pencils. I'm going to use the colored pencils to decorate. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start making some lines. Just as a reminder, this will look like you're opening a book, all right? So this is the fold here. When I draw my line, I'm going to start about 1 inch from the corner. I don't want to draw my line up to the corner. I want to start the line about 1 inch away. So I'm going to do my line like this. And then I'll do another one. And then a third. Now the next one I'm going to do is going to be the top of my sculpture. So I think I might want to do it in a fun way. That'll be up to you. All right, so I've got it this way. I drew my line too close here, so I'll have to remember. I'll erase that so I don't forget. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to show you how I put it together. I'm going to do time lapse for the cutting. Okay, I have finished cutting my shapes, and I've used a colored pencil to color on both sides. Alexander Calder sometimes used splashes of colors on his sculptures and mobiles as well. So what this is going to need to do, it's going to need to stand up on its own. So what you want to do is you want to open it up, make sure it can stand. And then I'm going to start bending. Now when I bend these, I'm going to go in opposite directions. So if this side is going to go in, this side goes out. And if that goes behind, this goes in front. So we're just going to rotate. So this last one goes this way, the opposite. All right. So then we're going to do the same here. This one in front. So this will go in back. This way, the opposite. And the opposite again. And then here we go. Let's see. I might want to bend this one. All right, there's my Alexander Calder inspired mobile. I hope you have a chance to do this and that you enjoy it.